Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Mustang 6th generation. That's the Mustang from year 2015 to year 2023. If you guys need to find the fuse for the ventilated heated seats, also known as climate control seats, stay with us, we'll explain where that fuse is located. Now if you're looking for the power seats fuse, we have a special video about that. It's actually different fuses for the ventilated heated seats and the power seats as well. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses. Make sure to stand till the end. Before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We take engines apart, transmission. We show you how to fix pretty much almost anything guys. Interior, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys have a Ford Mustang, that generation, 6th generation from year 2015 to year 2023, we'll be guys taking that car completely apart and we'll show you how to fix almost anything. So if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can guys save a ton of money. Let's start on it now. So specifically guys, we're going to demonstrate on that Ford Mustang GT, but even if you have the 2.3 EcoBoost, it will work as well. If you're tired of opening your hood and supporting it, we have a video that explains how to install hood struts, okay, the one that automatically lift the hood up. It's amazing, so it stands up and you don't have to support it. So this Mustang specifically has the ventilated and heated seats. You can see he has the hose right here for the ventilation. Beautiful interior by the way. Okay, that's our favorite guys, cover combo on those. So if we come right here, okay, and we open the hood now on that Ford Mustang, okay, specifically, and you come to the left side, that's the fuse box that we need. We're going to press right here and pull up. That fuse layout and pattern guys, the numbers correspond to what we have specifically right here. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So what we'll need to do now, we're going to come to that fuse box right here. This is that fuse box guys of the little special fuses, and we're going to check fuse number 14. Okay, this is guys the fuse on the very bottom side right here. 1 2 3 4 fold from top to bottom on the very right row in that fuse box. If you need to buy cheap fuses, affordable fuses guys, really good price, check out the link in the description of the video below. We'll share where you can get them from and you can save quite a bit of money. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.